Hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. So today we are back with another category. So you have seen about the travel vlog, you have seen about some cooking vlog, and now I am going to add about my another hobby, which is the gardening. Many of you don't know that I have a rooftop garden where I have planted lots of flowering plants, fruit plants, vegetables, as well as some different types of orchids, as you can see, which is a different flower. It's mainly of a tropical climate, but it's very easy to grow in India here. So I have a collection of around 12 orchids which I have bought almost some 3 months back from an online nursery, and I'll show you how to fertilize those orchids, and the video is basically about that. So hope you like the video and you enjoy it. Thank you. So for fertilization of orchids, we will take a bucket which will be filled with water according to the size of your pot, and then we'll take, this is NPK 19-19-19, you can take 20-20-20, any ratios, better to take 19-19-19, and we'll sprinkle around 1 to 2 grams and we'll mix thoroughly in the water, as you can see. Then we'll mix and keep it for 15 minutes. So here I am taking the orchids. So I have 12 of this, and this is just the 4 I have taken for showing you guys. I haven't watered them since last 2 days so that it can absorb the fertilizers fully. So what I do is take the bucket which was already mixed with fertilizer and we'll dip one by one. This is the first orchid. Because the space is large, we can keep up to 4 orchids. Care should be taken that it should be till the brim of the pot, not more than that. Otherwise, the plant can get fungal attack. So after 15 minutes, we will take out the plants one by one and let it dry for some time. There's another way of fertilizing the orchids, that is like I can take the water which I already used for dipping the plant for some time. In that only the roots got the fertilizer. Now we can put the remaining amount in the spray bottle and we can just sprinkle over the plants, like I'll show you how to do it. Care should be taken that we sprinkle all over the plant fully and drench it completely. See how it is being done. So like this, if we fertilize the orchids, so all over the plants get proper fertilization. And remember, this NPK mixed water we can fertilize once in every 7 days or maybe 10 days maximum, but every 1 week you should repeat it to get the maximum benefits.